Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on our Tech Guide channel. In today's guide, we will look at one of the most basic but ancient programs that you might have heard of, which is Microsoft Paint. This program needs no introduction as it has been around since ages. So if you are looking for an easy to use and beginner-friendly tool that you can use to draw and paint images, then this one might just be perfect for you. But before we get ahead, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Let's get started. First things first, what is Microsoft Paint? Well, Microsoft Paint, often called MS Paint or simply Paint, is a basic graphics painting program that has been included with all versions of Microsoft Windows since its introduction in 1985. It offers simple tools for creating and editing bitmap images. Now, how does Paint work? Well, Paint creates and edits bitmap images, typically in .bmp, .jpg, .png, or GIF files, and offers these basic functions. You can draw freehand using various brush styles. You can also add shapes such as lines, rectangles, ellipses, and polygons. You can fill areas with color, add text, and resize, crop, and rotate images. There are some basic color editing options as well. So now that you know what it is, let's see how to set it up. But there's nothing much to it because Paint comes pre-installed on all Windows operating systems. So all you need to do is click the Start menu, type Paint in the search bar, and select the Paint app from the results. If for some reason you can't find it, you can also press Windows key +R, type MS Paint, and press Enter. And here is what the Paint window looks like. Let's see some of its basic tools and functions. The Home tab contains many of the core drawing and editing tools. The Clipboard group lets you cut, copy, and paste from the drawing, although there is no dedicated paste option. Instead, you must use either Paste Special or press Ctrl+V. You can switch between the drawing and selected images using the two buttons in the Image group. You can also flip the image horizontally or vertically and adjust its brightness and contrast. The Draw group contains the pencil tool for drawing lines and the brush tool for filling areas with color. The pencil allows you to switch between solid and dotted lines and vary their thickness. The Fill tool allows you to fill areas with color. You can also use the eyedropper tool to sample colors from other images or the screen. The Eraser tool allows you to erase sections of the image. The Shape group contains tools for adding various shapes to your drawing, including line, curve, rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, and others. Each shape tool allows you to adjust the shape's properties after creating it. The Text tool allows you to add text to your drawing. Schemes, you can use the Color button to choose the text color and the Font button to choose the font. The View tab contains tools that affect the way your drawing is displayed. Here you can enable rulers, grid lines, and the status bar and turn on full screen mode. The File menu contains commands for creating new images, opening existing ones, and saving your work. In addition to these basic commands, you can also save your image in various formats, including PNG, JPEG, GIF, and TIFF. You can also print your drawing or send it to another program. From this menu, you can also access the image properties, which allow you to check the current size and color options. Now, let's see how you can use Paint to create some simple artwork. First, open the program and select a drawing tool from the Home tab. Then choose a color from the color palette by clicking on it. Then, click and drag on the canvas to draw. You can hold the Shift key to create perfect shapes, such as circles or straight lines. You can also use the Shape tools to add geometric shapes to your drawing. To add text, select the Text tool and then click on the canvas where you want the text to appear, then start typing. You can use the Font tool to change the font, size, color, and other properties of the text. When you finish, click the Save As button from the File menu to save your work. By default, Paint saves images in .bmp format, but you can also save them in other formats, including .png, JPEG, .gif, and TIFF. Paint supports these file formats: portable network graphics, an extremely versatile format that supports lossless compression. KNG is our top recommendation for most users. It's Joint Photographic Experts Group, originally designed for photography. This format uses lossy compression to reduce file sizes. It is best suited for images with lots of colors and gradients, such as photographs. Bitmap Image File Format, a Windows-based uncompressed format that offers good image quality. However, it produces very large files. Graphics Interchange Format, best known for its ability to display simple animations. GIF is a good choice for images with limited colors. Tagged Image File Format, a high-quality format often used by professional photographers and graphic designers. Now, here are some tips to help you make the most out of Paint. Use CTRL plus mouse wheel to zoom in and out quickly. Hold Shift while drawing to create perfect shapes such as circles and straight lines. Right-click with the eraser to replace colors instead of erasing. Use the Resize option to change the image dimensions. The Select tool can be used to move or duplicate parts of your image. Paint has very minimal system requirements. You can run it on almost any modern Windows PC with little or no problem. Most of the time, however, you should use Windows 7 or a newer version. Also, you need a small amount of disk space, and the program itself takes less than 10 megabytes. Finally, your computer needs basic graphics capabilities. And that's about it for this quick tutorial. Paint is quite a powerful program, despite being one of the oldest ones. So if you're just getting started with graphic design, or just looking for a quick and easy to use drawing tool, then this one should definitely come in handy. With that said, what do you think of this video? Do let us know in the comments down below. And if you liked it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, see you in the next one.